All right, this section is a game changer. So lesson 8.4, if you don't know how to do synthetic division, you will probably forever do synthetic division after today's lesson because, like I said, it's a game changer. So we are on synthetic division. Can you divide and use synthetic division? So this is just by a first degree polynomial. So let's remind ourselves what a first degree polynomial is. Remember that x plus 4 is a binomial, and we know that it is x to the first power, and that's where they get the word first degree binomial. So let's look at what we're doing here. We are dividing 2x cubed plus 9x squared plus x minus 12, and we are dividing that by x plus 4. So the way we're going to set this up, first of all, I want to double check. Do I have an x cubed, an x squared, an x, and a constant? I do. So I'm going to put those numbers right here. 2, 9, 1, and negative 12. Notice those are all the coefficients. Now, to do the x plus 4, I'm just going to take out the opposite, which would be the 0 or the solution. So remember, I'm going to take the opposite and take out a negative 4. So drop your pens. Let's pay attention to what we do. The first thing we're going to do is drop the 2, and then we are going to multiply up. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, and I'm going to put that negative 8 right here. And then I'm going to add down. 9 minus 8 is 1. And then I'm going to multiply up. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. And we're going to stick with that pattern, adding down, negative 3, multiplying up, positive 12. And the reason why I have this little box right here is because 0 is our remainder. So since this one started on x to the third power, I'm going to use these numbers right here to answer my question. So the answer is, because of 2, I have 2x squared, I'm going to go 1 less, plus 1x minus 3, and this is the answer when I divide 2x cubed plus 9x squared plus x minus 12 by x plus 4. All right, let's try one more and see how you do. This one's a little longer. Example 2 is a little longer. The first thing we have to do is we have to set it up. So I like to put little boxes. I know my numbers are 1, negative 2. Now there is no x squared term, so I do have to spot it by a 0. I have to put a place in it. 13 and negative 6, and right after the negative 6, if you notice, I always do the remainder box. Since we are dividing by x plus 2, I'm going to put a negative 2 here, and let's go. Add down, multiply up. Add down, multiply up, add down, multiply up, add down, multiply up, add down. So, since this one started on an x to the 4th right here, I'm going to start the answer 1x cubed, oops, I need a pen, x cubed minus 4x squared plus 8x minus 3, and there's no remainder. Now, hopefully you know how to deal with that remainder, but in this case there is no remainder. Great job.